Are you searching for the best inverter circuit board? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best inverter circuit board in 2025, which save you time and money. Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, it's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 5. Pure Sine Wave 300W12V2220V Inverter Circuit Board, 120-volt inverter, high power output. Boost your power with a 750W Pure Sine Wave Inverter, ensuring stable 220V AC output from 12V or 24V DC sources. Compact design. The 170-119-55mm circuit board is a space-saving solution for your power tool accessories. Pure Sine Wave output. Enjoy clean, uninterrupted power with the Pure Sine Wave Inverter, ideal for sensitive electronics. Wide input voltage range, versatile 12V/24V compatibility. Allows this inverter to adapt to various power scenarios. Digital inverter technology. Experience advanced digital inverter performance with precise voltage regulation for reliable power.